Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It is your girl, of course, it's Naomi's here. If it's your first time being on my channel, hello, welcome. So today I'll be showing you guys how I make my my salad potato salad. Potato salads, yeah. Okay, let's get started. So guys, the first thing you do is wash the potato. Yeah, you have to wash it really well, even though you're going to peel the skin, but you just have to wash it. You don't necessarily have to peel the skin, but you know, I just prefer it. I just prefer peeling the skin. Okay, so you can do it, you know, the way I'm doing it, or you can just leave the skin as the way it is. Yeah, so you just peel it off. So what you do next is wash it. You don't have to, but I just do it for health and safety. And then I'll start cutting mine into small pieces. You know, you don't want it to be in big chunk, you know, pieces. Like how you gonna eat it? Like you want to eat it with the what you call it, the vegetable that you have mixed together, don't you? So yeah. Yes guys, as you can see, all the potato has been chopped and, you know, all equal. So what I do is wash it again. So yeah, and what I added my salt. So the salt is there, don't worry, it's not a lot, and I'll leave it to boil up for 10 minutes. Okay, next what I do is start preparing my vegetables. So cutting the onion, then put tomato, lettuce. So guys, do not follow the way I'm cutting my lettuce. So you can cut it how you want it, you can shape it how you want to shape it. Okay, so what I do is I put it in the same plate that I put the tomato and the onion. And what I do next is add my apple cider vinegar. I put 2 spoons of it, and I add my salad cream. So I leave it there, I'm not gonna mix it, I'll put it in the fridge, you know. Guys, as you can see, my potato, it has softened up, so please do not leave it in for longer. You know, it's not gonna be good when it's too soft. So what I do is I will put the potato inside the same plate that I've used for my vegetables, tomato and other things in there. And what I do is I'm gonna mix it, you know, stir it. Be careful while stirring, okay? You don't want it to be spilling, you don't want anything to go, you know, outside. Yeah, so you keep mixing, and get your mayo ready, because your mayo is gonna be up next. So what you just saw me adding in there was black pepper, if I'm saying it right. So guys, I know that in the beginning I showed you guys I'll be using garlic, however, you know, I decided not to use it. So yeah, that's basically it, what you do for your potato salad. Trust me, it was so delicious.